Going through the waterfall. It's awesome. Yeah.
Now that we had hiked Snow Canyon and visited Grafton Ghost Town from our camp spot in Sand Hollow, we were headed in to explore Zion. Once again, we were able to use our National Park Pass, which was a gift from my stepdad, and we cannot recommend getting one of these highly enough. It pays for itself with just the first couple of uses.
National Park. We actually took the wrong turn.
We took the wrong right turn because we thought, well, we went to the right instead of on the shuttle standard route, so we're doing the drive route.
Yeah.
See if we'll make it to the shuttle or not.
You don't hate it. We could just look at really some awesome stuff. We're gonna see what we could get today. Doing?
I'm chilling. Just chilling.
I'll join you.
Try it out.
Not bad.
Yep.
Just chilling.
It is comfortable, right?
It's so comfortable.
It's comfortable, right? It's towering around us. Oh my god. Going through the waterfalls. It's awesome. Yeah. That was really amazing, really beautiful. Waterfalls are my favorite. We can't go to the middle and upper Emerald pools due to a rock slide. They're closed, but I'm not dissatisfied with what we just saw. That was incredible.
It was beautiful, and
just standing under the water.
We're about to hit the golden hour too soon.
So we missed our stop because we weren't paying attention. So now we're walking back to the car, but
look at this beautiful view.
Side, it took us down an awesome trip. So of course we say that now. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate all the likes, comments, and subscribers, so feel free to join the journey. Let us know if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.